So ito yung scenario, gusto mong mag-aral sa Spain pero hindi ka pa sure sa course. Or may budget kang papadating soon pero gusto mo nang makaalis habang maaga pa. May option ka na ngayon na mag-Spanish language na muna. And you study this language program inside Spain. So ito yun, no? The program itself is 7 months. But the visa that you will receive is for 1 year. So this means pwede ka na mag-part-time work 30 hours per week habang nag-aaral. And yung tuition, one of the most affordable in Spain. This also means that this is one of the most affordable study abroad entries in Europe today. Bago matapos yung 1-year program mo, may 2 pathways na usually tinatahak ng mga students. Option 1, rare but possible. Makakuha ka ng work sponsor, mag-convert ng digital nomad visa or to any type of visa. Option 2, which is the most common, is mag-continue sa public university na free tuition or secure a slot sa isang private university for further studies. Ito yung tinatawag natin na language plus study combo. Mas mura at may chance ka for free higher education later. Pero kung may bigger budget ka naman from the start, I advise na dumiretso ka na lang mag-masters for around 600,000 pesos. The program is taught in English at meron 1-year job seeker visa after you graduate. Know more about Spain in this pathway. Attend our free webinar on November 11 and November 28, 6 p.m. You can register sa QR code on the screen or you can check the link in the comment section.